It is 1 a.m., sorry. And hold on, 1:10 a.m. It is Sunday, the 24th of May, 2026. I am very, very grateful because God is doing things in a way sometimes it's going to blow your mind if you can pay attention. So if you know me, you know. If you follow me, you know. Yeah, I am laughing because I get what God is doing with my life. So basically, if you don't know me, I have explained, I would say, since I have started Thread very consistently, meaning like, I don't know, maybe 20 minimum thread on average per day. So I have shared a lot of things, including the fact my podcast, my wisdom, my real life trauma and story have been impersonated online by someone, and you are going to find out very soon who is it. But I do get why now, and this deserves a little moment that I am happily documenting. Not only you are about to be shocked, like who tried so hard to steal my real life trauma and story, but it's not just about stealing. It goes deeper. It's most likely you will understand it's not one person who is bored and who is trying to impersonate another woman real life trauma and story. It's an organization, online harassment, most likely. Everyone is trying so hard to cover up with what you can call a manipulative proxy persona, meaning it is a woman who is paid to impersonate the real victim, so no one is going to find out what happened to the real victim. Well, stay tuned.